Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up the Yoast SEO plugin. So you do this by going over to your dashboard and you go over to plugins, then you click on this add new sub tab here, and this takes you to the store, and over here you're going to type in Yoast at the search bar and press enter. So this takes a while and it searches, and as you can see I already have Yoast installed over here. So what you would do is you'd click on the install now button here, and once you have this you'd activate. So before we get started with the setup, let's just read a little bit about Yoast over here and what it does. So as you already know, Yoast is an SEO plugin. So what they do is they add title and meta description for most of your pages, and they automatically create XML sitemaps, and they do a lot of stuff for SEO optimization. So if you have a website and you constantly create content, or you just want to rank higher on Google, then Yoast is a plugin that you must have. As you can see, they also provide SEO analysis. So whenever you're typing or writing any articles, it's always going to give you insight about your SEO, and also gives readability analysis. So there are a lot of features which I might not be able to mention here, but Yoast is really good. They also have a premium version which adds in a lot of extra features like automatic interlinking suggestions and all that. But even with the normal version, you should be able to have a good SEO setup on your site. So I'm going to click on activate button here, and I'm going to walk you through the setup of Yoast SEO plugin. Alright, after you install the plugin, you get this extra tab here called SEO. Simply go to the Generals tab and find this link over here. So first time SEO configuration. Get started quickly with the Yoast SEO configuration wizard. So you click on this link over here, and this takes you to the configuration wizard for Yoast. Configuring Yoast with the wizard is very easy. You just simply select different options, and the first one here is a question. Specify if your site is under construction or already active. So this website is already live, so I'm going to go with option A and click on next. Next up, it's going to ask the site type. So this is actually a blog, so I'm going to select a blog. If it is a online shop or a news channel, you can select any of these other ones, or if you don't really have any of these site types, you can click on something else down here. So click on next and go to the next step. And over here they're going to ask if the site is owned by an organization or a person. In my case it is a person, and over here they're going to ask you to type in the username. So I'm going to select this first one over here, and I'm going to click on next. Then they're going to ask you for the search engine visibility. If you want your post to show up on search, you click yes. If you want your pages to show up on search, you click yes over here. If you don't want your pages to show on search, you can click no, but most times you're going to want to keep everything here checked up. So click on the next button also and go to the next step. Then they're going to ask you if your site has multiple authors. So in my case, no, I'm going to be the only one posting on this site, so I'm going to click on next. And over here just a little bit of extra customization. So the website name is Baby Mama Squad, and I'm going to leave this separator as it is and click on next. And at this point you're actually done with the setup for Yoast SEO plugin. So they're going to ask you to add in an email here if you'd like to get access to more information, and they're going to link some videos on how you can use their different features, how you can type, how you can write articles with the Yoast Insights tools, and a few extra features over here. So you just simply click on the next button over here, and it should take you to the final screen, which is success. So once you're done, you click on the close button here, and you successfully have Yoast installed on your WordPress website. Okay, so once that is done, you can pretty much always change something by clicking this same configuration wizard. So if you would like to reconfigure your site, maybe something changed, you can click on here, and you're gonna get all the options. If you click on features, it's gonna give you a list of all the features that Yoast comes with. So as you can see, we have SEO analysis, readability analysis, cornerstone content. So there are a lot of them here. You can disable anything you don't like, and it's really easy to use their platform over here. So that's basically it for the Yoast SEO plugin. It's very straightforward, and I guess there's nothing left here. Okay, I'll just explain this part quickly. This tab shows you any problem your website is having in terms of SEO, and over here you get notifications for upgrading or the plugin whenever it's obsolete. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you like to support the channel, please click on the subscribe button, and if you found the video helpful, click on the like button below, and I'll see you in the next one.